In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the name of an account in QuickBooks Online. Renaming an account might seem like a small thing, but it can make a big difference in how clear and organized your financial reports look. Maybe you've updated how you use an account, or you want your chart of accounts to match new internal naming conventions. Whatever the reason, the process is quick and completely safe to do, as long as you're careful to pick a clear, accurate name. Let's start inside QuickBooks Online on your main dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. From this menu, look for the option labeled Accounting. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all your core bookkeeping tools live. Once you're in the Accounting section, you'll see a tab or option called Chart of Accounts. Click that to open the full list of all the accounts in your company file. Now you should see a table listing your accounts, including their type, detail type, and current balances. Take a moment to scroll through this list and locate the specific account you want to rename. You can also use the search box or filters at the top if you have a long chart of accounts. It's important to make sure you've selected the correct account because this name will show up on your reports and in your transactions. Once you've found the account, look to the far right side of that row. You'll see a small down arrow, sometimes labeled as an action dropdown. Click on that arrow to open the menu for that account. From the list of options that appears, choose Edit. This will open the Account Details window where you can safely adjust how the account is labeled. In the Account Details, look for the field called Name. This is the name that appears on your chart of accounts and reports. Click into the Name field and type the new name you want to use. Try to choose something clear and descriptive so that anyone looking at your books immediately understands what this account is for. You're not changing the history or the type of account, just the label that appears. When you're happy with the new name and have double-checked your spelling, move to the bottom of the window and click Save and Close. QuickBooks will apply the update, and you'll be taken back to your chart of accounts where you'll see the account listed with its new name.